I honestly wish I had this for my first baby. Baby number 3 is oncoming. Tummy time is going to be a breeze with this lounger. It is so fluffy, but it has padding right here, padding on the sides. There's a washable cover. Plus, this one is way more affordable than the other ones, and it is such a great deal. Check this one out. These are going so quick right now, and they are much better quality. Check it out. My baby's still loading, so we got the little baby doll here for demonstration, but I can't wait to use this for him. There's cushion down here, plus it's a breathable cotton material. It stretches across the whole part of my changing table here, so it is big. Get these before they're gone. It's gonna be something I use daily.